Welcome to the channel. This is Audi is a Q5. It's a 2018, so we're going to reset our oil service. So first things first, so let's say when you just come inside the car like that, your car will just wake up like that. So first thing first, you just come here to the start, and then you can just tap on it like that. Once you tap like that, you just let it do that, and then next we're going to be working with this screen right over here, and then we're going to work with these controls over right here. So let's say you're in media, whatever it is, you just come here, you say back, you just tap back right there, and then you make sure you're in this menu, and then you use this kind of stuff right here. You just take it around like that. So you go all the way to a vehicle. So in your vehicle, you just press on top just like that. You just tap it like that, and then it will open up that one, and then you just do like that. Once you when you do that, this one shows up. So you come down to service and checks, so you just keep scrolling, so you just scroll like that, and then it brings you to service and checks. So you just come right here, and then you just tap. So when you tap, it comes to tire pressure, there's oil level, so service interval, vehicle wipe. So you come to service interval, and then you just tap on it. So it's telling us the next oil change is in 3,400 miles or 230, but I already did the oil change, so I'll just go ahead and reset it. So to reset it, you just come down right there, you press on reset oil interval just like that, and then you come to, do you really want to reset? You just say yes, you just tap on that like that, and then it says the oil change interval has been reset down there, and then it brings us to the new next oil change in 10,000 miles or 365 days. So once this comes out like that, you should be good to go, and then you can just go back all the way to the main screen right there. Then whether you go to media, whatever it is, you should be good to go. All right, so for those ones maybe want to check the oil level, you just do the same procedure. You go to the vehicle right there, and then you just come all the way to service and checks, and then you come to oil level. When you tap like that, it will tell you that like mine, the oil level is all the way to maximum, and then you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope it's been helpful. If it's been, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave below on the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, okay, bye bye.